Good morning, everybody. I'm here at Lara Farms. Been coming here for, I think, probably at least 25 years. And you can get fruits and fruit trees. They have a huge selection here. Hi, everybody. I'm here at Lara Farms, getting some trees and buying some fruit. And we got Julian right here.
Hey, how you doing?
I knew his dad and him. I've known him for like 25 years plus. So I've always enjoyed coming down here and always have a great time.
And this tree right here, unfortunately, from Hurricane Ian, it didn't cause a lot of wind damage, but from all the rain, broke this branch. I guess the weight from the water and the weight from the fruit was all on the floor.
And look at that.
Was the straw that broke the camel's back, and we lost a whole bunch of these magana mames. And these things are huge.
Look at that, man.
They're huge.
Wow.
And
they're no good.
And they're no good because these are spring fruit. They make fruit in March, April, and May. That's when they ripen. So it's a shame that the branch broke. It was a big branch.
That's a lot of wasted fruit right there.
Yeah. But it is what it is, and we didn't get hardly any damage.
No, we got off pretty good.
Yeah, we got lucky.
We got off pretty good. And I think for this year, I think we're done.
Yeah. And this Magana's been here for 40 years.
I remember your dad giving me some from right here.
Yeah.
And there was a Carambola next to it. There was a Spanish lime down there. I remember getting fruit from all of it.
Yeah. And then over here we got some guanábana. This is the Miami Soursop. And you can see an animal's already been trying to eat it.
Wow.
It kind of beat me to it. But this is the Miami cultivar of Soursop, and it makes sweet fruit, and it produces very well. If it wasn't for the cold weather, I'd be making fruit every year. So, and it's ripe, right off the tree.
Wow.
You never tried the Miami Soursop?
Nope.
Oh, don't. Be my guest. I'll give you a little piece there.
There we go. Wow, this one tastes sweet.
Yeah, awesome. What's good about this one is that they're sweet. The first day that it gets ripe on the tree, that's when it's the sweetest. Every day after that, it gets a little bit more sour.
Right. So you got to get it early.
You got to pick it when it first gets ripe if you want to eat it sweet. If you want to get a little bit sour, wait a couple of days. One day more. Every day that passes by, it gets more sour. But you can't let too many days go by or else it starts going bad.
Right. No, but that one tastes great. I never tried that one. Awesome.
And we're in October, middle of October, and it's still making fruit. Don't make fruit. And this is for like December, January. So this is for like in a month or two from now. I mean, it's always making fruit.
And it's a great tree to have in your yard because it's not like a huge tree. It's
right. When I grow, it's a tree, but it's not a massive tree like a mango.
Right. And
if it wasn't for the cold weather, it'd be making fruit all year round.
Mm-hmm. Nice looking tree too.
I planted this back in 2014. Made fruit for me in 1 year.
In 1 year?
In 1 year. They're very fast, surprisingly. I didn't expect it, but they made fruit really fast. It was in some guy's backyard, and it would make a lot of fruit for him. So I finally went over there to check it out, and it was loaded with fruit. And he did no maintenance to it. He didn't spray it, he didn't fertilize it, he didn't do anything. It was planted next to the little space between the fence and the cement. It was like right here.
Wow.
So I brought back some budwood and I grafted it here and planted it in the ground. And the rest is history. Everybody's really pleased with this variety because it makes a lot of fruit. And the closer you are to US 1, the better because there's less humidity. And they're not a fan of humidity. They don't like.
You think around Hialeah is good spot?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Hialeah is really good for mangoes and for anonas.
Right.
They're close to the ocean. They're east of 95 or east of the Palmetto.
Right. No, but this one's really great. I mean, it's sweet.
Yeah. And then this is the star fruit. This thing's been making fruit like all year, and it's taking a break. But you can see it has baby ones already coming up.
It's coming up.
So this thing is non-stop, and flowers for after this.
Yeah, no, carambolas are like, I mean,
they're giving.
They fruit like crazy.
They love to give, and it's an all-year thing almost. And kids love star fruit, so it's a win-win.
Are these back here in Miami as well, or?
Yeah. All those are Miami. Yeah.
And they already fruit?
Yeah, they already fruited.
Wow.
I stopped spraying them because it's going to get cold, but they still want to flower. You see here, right here?
Oh, there you go.
And over here too. They don't care about the cold weather. I mean, they don't care about the, yeah, they don't, because it's already getting cold.
It is.
And they're still flowering. But when it gets really cold, unfortunately, it's going to drop all the leaves. Here's a teeny tiny flower for like probably January, February, but there's no chance of that making fruit because of the weather. It's going to be too cold.
Wow.
And then I put a little cold protection up here. You see the hoops?
Yeah.
I just cover it with plastic.
When it's going to get really cold.
Just as an added protection, you know?
Yeah. No, but these would be great for any backyard. I mean, they hardly take any space, really.
Oh, for those who know this fruit, this is the one to have. It's going to make you fruit right away, and it's going to be good.
This is the best tasting one I've ever had right here.
Yeah, and this one needed like another day to be ripened. The faltaba, they needed a little bit, like another day to be juicier. But I opened it up anyway.
Julian, what do you suggest, like, for shady areas?
Something to grow in the shade?
Yeah, what fruit trees, tropical fruit trees?
Carambola. Carambola is one. Sugar apple. Let me think. What else? You know what? It's very important to have full sunlight. If you don't have full sunlight, you're not going to get any flowers. But those two make fruit in the shade. Sugar apple and carambola.
Okay.